Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at the cutoff marks for management quota seats in Telangana Round 1 counseling for 2025. Telangana is going extremely slow, but however, they have completed Round 1 counseling. And in this video, we will look at the cutoff marks for the management quota under the unreserved. That means where the other state candidates are eligible. We will look at the cutoff marks for the local candidates under the management quota. We will look at the minority quota cutoff for the other state students as well as for the local students. We will look at the cutoff marks for minority female students. We will look at all these details in this video. And also in the final closing stages, we will also look at the cutoff marks for NRI seats in Telangana. So what are we looking at? We are looking at category B, unreserved. Unreserved means what? It is available for other state candidates. Open means non-minority. General means male and female, both are eligible. Okay. So it's category B, unreserved. We are looking at. So the topmost college is Apollo Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, which closed at an All India rank of 59,737. and NEET score 493. So this is the topmost college with the closing score of 493 marks. Second place goes to Kamineni at Hyderabad, 481 is the closing score. Mamta Academy 474, Bhaskar 471, Medicity 467, Mamta Medical College at Khammam 464, Kamineni at Narkatpalli 461, SVS Medical College 460, Dr. Patnam Mahendra Reddy 458, Maheshwara Medical College 457. At the 11th position, we have Arundhati Institute of Medical Sciences, which closed at 456 marks. Pratima Institute of Medical Sciences also closed at 456. C. Anandarao Institute 455, RVM Medical College 454, MNR Medical College 453, CMR Institute and Mahavir Institute both closed at 452. Pratima Relief Institute and TRR Institute both closed at 450 marks. Surabhi 449, Nova Institute 447. So this is where the self-financing private medical colleges closes at a All India rank of 1,26,657 and NEET score 447. The final college in the list, which is Nilima Institute of Medical Sciences, is a private university. The fee structure is slightly higher for private university. So the cutoff is also lower, 1,78,682 and NEET score 417 marks. So for private medical colleges, the closing score is 447. For private universities, the closing score is 417 marks. This is for other state candidates or basically the open seats where the local candidates as well as other state candidates can compete. Now let us look at the cutoff marks for category B under the local category. So category B, local, open seats, general. So Apollo again is at the top. It closed at 414 marks. Kamineni 394, Mamta Academy 392, Bhaskar 376, SVS 374, Kamineni Narkatpalli 354, Mamta Khammam 352, C Anandarao 334, CMR 332, Medicity 331. At the 11th position, we have RVM Medical College 329, Pratima Institute 325, Dr. Patnam Mahendra Reddy 322, Arundhati 321, MNR 315, Maheshwara Medical College 314, Pratima Relief Institute 310, Mahavir Institute 307, Surabhi Institute 300, TRR 295, Nilima 295 and Nova 293. So you could see that the difference is huge compared to local candidates as well as other state candidates. Of course, other state candidates have only 15% of the seats, whereas 85% of the seats are reserved for local candidates. So you can see that for private medical colleges, for the open seats for other state candidates, it has closed at 447, whereas for the local candidates, it has closed at 293. So almost like 150 marks difference. Now let us look at the minority seats. So first, let's look at category B, unreserved. That means the other state candidates are eligible. Minority colleges, which is like basically Muslim minority, and general. That means both male and female are eligible. So the highest cutoff is for Deccan College at 472 marks. Shadan Institute 467, Ayan Institute 451. So basically, even the Muslim minority seats, it's not like a lesser cutoff. It's actually the cutoff is higher than the non-minority colleges for the unreserved category. Now let us look at for the local students. For the local students, Deccan College closed at 363, Shadan Institute 340, Ayan 294. So once again, the cutoff for non-minority is 293, whereas here minority is slightly higher. Now let us look at the minority unreserved but female candidates. There is one college which is a women's only college, which is Dr. VRK Women's Medical College. It's also a Muslim minority college. For this, the closing score is 453 marks for unreserved candidates. For local candidates, it closed at 312 marks. Now, finally, let's also look at the cutoff marks for NRI candidates. Of course, NRI, I'm not going to go through each college because some of the colleges, all the seats might not have been filled up. So the top college once again in NRI is Apollo Institute, which closed at 312 marks. Kamineni comes second with 259. Mamta Academy 257. Bhaskar 235. SVS 206. Dr. Patnam Mahendra Reddy 205, and so on. So what is the closing score? Finally, you could see that seats were available until 113 marks, I think, which is just the pass mark. In fact, I checked Nova Institute, all the seats were not filled up. There were vacancies. So as long as you are an NRI candidate, whether you are from local or from other states, doesn't matter. As long as you fill choices for all the colleges, you must get a seat in NRI category. So I have covered all the possible combinations for category B and category C, that is management quota and NRI quota. I hope this information is useful to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.